we want to insert a chart in our slide, so how we can do it? Now you can see here, this one is my current slide. From the layout, we can change the layout of our slide. I am taking here title and content. In the title and content, you can see here, the second one is insert chart. By clicking on it, we can insert the chart. Or the second method is go to insert tab, and in the insert tab, you can see here chart option is here. You can see here, this one is chart. So by going to the insert tab and then clicking on the chart, we can insert the chart, or we can directly click on the chart. When we click on the chart, one dialog box will appear, insert chart. You can see here many chart types are here, and the default chart is column chart. So according to our requirement, we can take any type of chart. Just click on it. When we insert a chart, then you can see automatically a default chart is displaying with the database. This one is the database which contain the data, and according to this data, you can see here chart is representing here. If I don't want to take this data, I want to take the data according to our data. So what we will do, we will click on this button. We will click on, I'm showing to you which one button we will use. We will click on this one. This one is for select all. This one is for select all. Just click this button. When we will click this button, then automatically all the data will be selected. Then by using key, delete key, just delete the data. You can see here, when I am deleting the data has been deleted from the database and also from the chart. So we can write according to ourselves the data. For example, I want to write the student detail, student marks detail. So I'm just writing here like English, Maths, Hindi. I'm taking 3 subjects. Student name here also I'm taking. So it depends upon you how much data you want to take. If you want to increase the size, go to the boundary and then drag it. Go to the boundary and then drag it. So according to our requirement, we can increase. Now I am entering the data. You can see in the chart also, when I am entering the data, automatically chart is updating according to data. So you can see here, now my database has been made, and according to the database, chart has been established. So in this one, you can see all the component like chart title. If I want to provide title, so just write here. Firstly, by using the backspace, erase that one, chart title. Then give any name to your chart. I'm writing here student detail. In the x-axis, or you can say category axis, you can see here Anu, Sonu, students' names are here. And in the value axis or vertical axis, or you can say y-axis, you can see the value. These are marks. These are legend, like blue color legend is for English subject, orange for this one, and like that. So this is the way to insert the chart in our slide. In the next video, I will explain how to format our chart, how we can provide the different formatting on the chart, how you can use the chart tools. Different tabs are here, design and format. So in the next video, I will explain it.